Hi, I'm Dee. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the Newsfeed-themed task-based homepage. To start, log into Engagement Cloud. Here, you can use navigation icons to quickly find what you're looking for. You also have subtabs from which you can access additional navigation icons, actionable infolets, and analytics. Use actionable infolets to close out daily tasks. You immediately see the tasks, appointments, opportunities, and leads that are relevant to you. You can start with the My Tasks actionable infolet, which is already filtered to show today's tasks. You have 2 tasks due today. You completed the first task yesterday, so you click on Quick Action for this task and mark it as complete. For the second task, the customer called yesterday and said that he was traveling this week and requested the quote next week instead, so you can defer this task by 1 week. If you wanted, you could perform other tasks such as defer by 2 weeks or create note. You can also view the tasks that are due tomorrow and beyond tomorrow. Next, you can review the appointments that are coming up today in the My Appointments actionable infolet. You already had this call with Intellix, so now you want to create a call report. You add the pertinent details and then close and save the call report. This opportunity is scheduled to be closed in the next 7 days, so it shows up in the My Opportunities actionable infolet. You can add a quick note about the call on this opportunity directly from the infolet too. You just got an irate call from one of your clients regarding a service request. You need to take a look at the SR and take some action, so you go to Workspace. First, you select All Open Service Requests from the Object selector. Then enter the last 4 digits of the SR to perform a search. You don't need to remember the whole SR number. Here it is. You can see that this SR belongs to the Blackhawk Network account. You click on the SR link to open it in a new dynamic tab, keeping the workspace still open in the first tab. You review the SR, its status, and the updates in it. Now you want to take a look at the other open SRs for Blackhawk Network. You quickly switch back to the Open Workspace tab. This time you search using the account name. Notice that the search term is highlighted in the results. When you click on the other SR, it opens in a new third tab. After looking at these service requests, you want to call up the point of contact on this account, but when you try the primary contact number, it's busy. Just click on the primary contact link, which opens the contact details in a nested tab, then click Profile to get the contact's work phone number. You now have all of the information you need for the call opened up in different tabs on the screen at the same time, and you can switch between them with one click. Later, after you finish the call, you realize that the customer CrowdStrike had a similar issue with their Green server, and you want to proactively follow up with that account before it gets escalated. So you go back to the Workspace tab, choose All Accounts from the Object selector, and search for CrowdStrike. In the results, you click on the Actions menu for the relevant record and create an appointment to go over the issue with them later without even having to drill into the account. And now you're done with your daily tasks and ready to move on with other work. Thanks for watching.